All right, this is going to be an easy maintenance. This is the most often looked maintenance that anybody kind of don't even think about, but it's the PCV valve right here. Sometimes that could be it can cause oil consumption, idle problems, misfiring, and things like that. So I doubt this thing has ever been replaced after 92,000 miles. So I went ahead and ordered one from Honda. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. There's only one bolt that was holding it. It'll be a 10 millimeter right here, and then that thing just pops off. There is one 10 millimeter that you have to take off, which is right here, just so you have more clearance to get to that bolt. Other than that, the bolt is right, see if you can see it right here. Right here. That's the only thing that's holding the PCV valve right there. Once you get the bolt out, just kind of wiggle it back and forth. That's definitely never been replaced. So on the part number, I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out real quick. Clean the opening. Yeah, I'm surprised this thing is even still working. Just put it side by side. Just kind of double check everything. Put a little bit of oil in the O-rings. That way it doesn't get cut as you insert it back to its location. So go ahead and do that. Went ahead and put a little bit of oil in the O-rings just to make sure it glides in there smoothly without getting too tight. You don't really want to put O-rings when they are dry. Sometimes they can get cut, roll over, and then come off of this groove right here. So like I said, it doesn't hurt. I also put a little bit of oil in the bolt itself. That way it'll glide in there pretty easy. So we're going to go ahead and put everything back in. And just like that, you're pretty much done. Don't forget the bolt right here and make sure it's snug fit the PCV valve bolt. And that concludes the less than 5-minute, most often overlooked maintenance that you can do. It's only about 26 bucks. So that's something you kind of want to change every 30 to 50,000 miles, just to keep the oil gunked and it running smoothly. So like I said, that only took me about 5 minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll move on to the next project. Got everything put back. Gonna go ahead and tighten all the coil bolts, plug everything back in, start it up, let it run for a little bit, and then make sure everything is good.